Better than new. Want an open floor plan west / a bright cheery feel when you walk inside? Want an inviting back patio where you can sit in privacy west / no neighbors behind you? This home truly has it all, from the open floor plan west / the split bedrooms, the large island in the kitchen, the walk-in pantry, custom cabinets west / soft close drawers, and the laundry room. Upgrades on this home: screened-in back patio, gutters, shower door and a privacy fence, plus the washer and dryer stay.